Financial security versus emotional security in marriage. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about whether you should give more importance to financial security or emotional security in your married life. Does financial security mean more than emotional security in your married life? Or does emotional security win over financial security? Most of you think that if you have tons of money, there will be no relationship problems between you. No, you're wrong. It is very true that without financial security, your married life is doomed to fail. But if you think that financial security is the only ingredient needed to make your married life happy, you'll be proved wrong. I feel completely dissatisfied with my married life. Shamla, my cousin's daughter, told me. She was married into a very wealthy family. Her diamonds, swanky cars and hordes of money was always a hot topic among our relatives. So we all assumed that Shamla was very lucky to be married into a very rich family. And to hear her say that she was dissatisfied with her marriage seemed a very strange thing. What is wrong, Shamla? I asked the young girl worryingly. Auntie, my in-laws are very shallow-minded. They think that their money makes them way above others. So they do not respect my family as they feel they are not up to the rich standards. It makes my blood boil with anger when I hear them say degrading words about my family. Tears welled in the poor girl's eyes. My husband also does not love me. Initially, he was enamored by my beauty. But now he feels that he should have married a girl who belonged to his elite group. My husband does not take me to family functions as he feels I am well below his rich status. Shamla's voice quivered with anger. My husband never talks to me with love. I now wonder why I thought I was lucky to have married a rich man. Shamla looked very unhappy. My husband often tells me that I have no class and that I am not up to his tall standards. Do you know there are many times I feel that I should not have married my husband? I do not know why I felt that money could make me happy. Shamla sighed with abject unhappiness. I was completely taken aback when I heard the sad story of Shamla. I too had thought that Shamla was a lucky girl to have married into such a famous family. After hearing about her pathetic married life, I realized that money just gave you great buying power and that it could never make you happy in your relationship. I'm sure most of you would disagree with me. You feel that when you have money, you can easily overlook many drawbacks in your marriage. It is true that money makes you financially secure. It does give you great social status. In fact, without money, your love for each other will beat a retreat. But if you think money is enough to make you enjoy a good married life, you will be proved wrong. It is because happiness in your relationship depends upon many other intricate qualities. Your marriage needs love, compassion, compatibility, patience, tolerance, compromise, trust, and many more unique qualities. Your marriage cannot survive on money alone. You definitely need all these beautiful qualities to give your relationship the incredible feeling of emotional security. Yes. You should understand the simple fact that without emotional security, your marriage is doomed to fail. It is really sad that your modern mentality makes you assume that money is the only needed component to make your relationship work. This is the reason you do not care about the emotional needs of each other. You have become so concentrated on your financial well-being that you literally run after money to acquire an enviable social status. You never envy loving couples, but you envy affluent couples. You think financial security is equal to happy married life. So you too want to acquire the social status of your wealthy friends, relatives, colleagues. Both work yourself threadbare to maintain an enviable lifestyle. You constantly have heated interaction with your spouse about money. You're always dissatisfied that there's not enough money for your family. You're always on the lookout to make your family wealthy by accruing more and more money. Well, are you happy after earning tons of money you so dreamed of? Your answer is a big no. Do you know why? It is because in the process of seeking financial security for your family, you never really cater to the emotional needs of your spouse. In your race after money, you forget the importance of emotional security in your marriage. Your total focus is towards making your married life money strong and not love strong. What is the level of importance of money in your married life? Colossal, I would say. Without money, the self-respect of your family will be at stake. And it is true that only money can make you live your married life independently without depending on others. When you have enough money, you need not run from pillar to post for your basic family needs. Money gives you the capacity to give the best education for your children. When you have enough money, you can have your own home. You also have a sumptuous bank balance for a rainy day. When you have enough money, your standard of living turns amazing. Money gives you the capacity to possess all the flashy things the world market has to offer. You're envied for your swanky cars. Your friends gape at your big bungalow. You're stared at with amazement for your trendy dresses. You feel you're very lucky to possess such great status symbols. Fine. But do these materialistic things bring in happiness into your married life? Strangely, it does not. Though you are envied when you step out of your swanky car with your spouse, only you know about the uneasy silence that existed between you during a drive. No one knows that you take great care of your car more than you take care of your spouse. It is sad that you do not understand that cars can only display your social status and not display your love. It is pathetic that you do not realize that your spouse is your life partner who will be sharing all the ups and downs of your life. You do not care to make your spouse happy. You do not care to spend quality time with your spouse. Can you see how robotic and mechanical your married life is in spite of your financial security? Is this the way you want to live your married life? With lots of money but without love. You will never enjoy a relationship when there is no emotional security between you. Emotional security is that important for your marital happiness. How exactly can you bring emotional security into your marriage? Never take your spouse for granted. Always interact with friendliness with your spouse. Be empathetic towards the feelings of your spouse. Overlook the minor faults of your spouse. Be encouraging and appreciative. Never ever degrade your spouse before your friends, relatives or colleagues. Have enough spacing between you. Never try to change your spouse according to your liking. Practice patience and tolerance in your relationship. Trust your spouse. Display your love for your spouse frankly and openly. Have transparency in your relationship. Spend quality time with your spouse. Boost the morale of your spouse when his or her confidence touches a new low. When you embed these unique qualities into your married life, the emotional security it gives you is worth tons of gold. Can you see how much you need emotional security and financial security to enjoy a happy marriage? Yes. It is a harsh fact that your marriage cannot survive with only emotional security. You also need money to exist in this harsh world. Lack of money will have definite adverse effect on your emotional security. So, blend both emotional security and financial security into your married life. Finally, which wins the race? Is it your financial security or your emotional security? The scale is near about equal, as your marriage cannot do without money and it cannot do without emotional security either. Did this video make you understand that your married life should have a perfect blend of emotional security and financial security? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.